Here's how you can quickly get up and running with some Stripe payment boxes for your classes. We are going to head over to plugins, and you can either upload or add the plugin, activate it, you'll see Stripe classes. Head over to adding a Stripe class, you'll get this. Add your title. You're going to do whatever your event is or your weekly class is. Let's do a weekly class on Sunday. Start time. Let's go 9 a.m. Select that, 45. Yep. There we go. 20 people can come for £15. And location will be test. And we're going to be description. There we go. And we can copy that shortcode, publish it, head over to pages, go to the pages. Here's a sample page that comes with WordPress. We can add a shortcode and throw that in, paste in that shortcode, save the page, view it, and there is our form. Now, this is not going to work because you need to fill this in. Test.com, and it's still not going to work because you're not configured. You need to head back to your settings. In settings, you need to put in your Stripe publishable key and secret key. Head to Stripe, go to the developer page. So go into test mode. So this is your account. You'll have an API key section. So here, test mode, search for API keys. API keys, there we go, and there they are. So we're going to copy that, head over to this, paste into that, there we go, secret key, pass that. You'll do exactly the same for live, in live mode, so just you would come out of this, exit the sandbox, they're your live keys. So from here, we just save our settings, go back to this, refresh the page, and we'll do the same thing, test and hello at test.com. Now, if we pay, we will get over to the Stripe checkout. And that is how you get up and going as quick as you can.